In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the frequently used emojis on your iPhone. Now, before we start, it's worth mentioning that there's no way to actually completely remove the frequently used section. All we're going to be able to do is remove our emoji history. So it's essentially going to reset all of the recent emojis that you've been using. So there's only one way to actually do this, and that's to head over to the Settings app on your phone, and then you need to scroll down and click on General. Then scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click on Transfer or Reset to iPhone, and at the bottom select Reset. Now what we're going to be doing is resetting our keyboard, so you need to click on Reset Keyboard Dictionary and then go ahead and enter your iPhone passcode. And once that's been reset, you may need to restart your device, and then if you head back over to your keyboard, you can see now that it's completely removed any frequently used emojis. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you delete your frequently used emojis. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.